Lenovo has added two new smartphones to its range, the Lenovo K5 and K5 Play. Both handsets have similar specifications. The Lenovo K5 is equipped with a 5.7-inch display that features a HD and resolution. The handset comes with a MediaTek MT6750 processor and 3 GB of RAM. The device also comes with 32 GB of storage, and it features a microSD card slot for expansion. On top of that, the handset comes with a total of 3 cameras. On the front of the device there is an 8-megapixel camera for selfies, and on the back there is one 13-megapixel camera and one 5-megapixel camera. The handset also comes with a 3000 mAh battery. The K5 Play is the cheaper of the two handsets. It has a 5.7-inch display that features a HD and resolution. It has a different processor, the Snapdragon 430. The device comes with a choice of 2 GB of RAM and one 6 GB of storage, or 3 GB of RAM and 2 GB of storage. The handset has slightly different cameras on the back, one 13-megapixel camera and one 2-megapixel camera. Prices for the Lenovo K5 start at $143 and the K5 Play starts at $112.